The SUMPRODUCT function can be used to summarize Excel data by converting it into an array function. By using the SUMPRODUCT, you can select the column that contains dates here and summarize the amounts. So because we want to summarize this by year, we'll convert the array containing the dates into the year by using the YEAR function. Then we select the array that we want, or the range that is from A2 to A26. Then we lock it using F4. Then say this is equals to 2017. Then close it and use the wildcard star to mean AND, or you are joining the two arrays, and the array that is from B2 to B26 containing the amounts. Then we lock that as well. Then we close. Then we press Ctrl Shift and Enter to convert the SUMPRODUCT function into an array. Then we copy this downward. So you can prove that by adding the totals here. That is 929, 159, which must be equivalent to the total here of 124, 159.